Hello viewers, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If it's your first time, I welcome you and I urge you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is the channel where I actually teach people about elite earning apps and how to make money their own. And I also teach people how to be content creators. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create a fake background, okay, which is generated by using an artificial intelligence tool. So let me show you something here. If let's say we have this video here, I'm going to play video so that you see the background of the video. Thereafter, I'm going to use a particular app with which I'm going to generate the background, which we are going to use to replace the background that you're going to see in this video. Okay. Then from there, okay, beautiful. So the video is actually loading. Hey, this is the hotel and welcome you to my channel. Okay, beautiful. So that is the background of the video. Okay, that's the board, and I was actually in the classroom. So then how can we remove the background and then replace it with something else that is actually a background generated by using an artificial intelligence tool? So I'm gonna keep this one here. Okay, take a look at this. Okay, beautiful. So for you to be able to generate a background which is generated by using an artificial intelligence tool, you have to have Canva installed on your PC. So this is Canva. This can actually be installed on a PC. It can as well run on a mobile phone. So let's head on to Canva. Here we go. Now that we are in, what we need to do is we click the plus icon on top there. So now they're asking, let's just open any other. Let me just click on any design that I'd actually made some time back. So it's loading right now. Things are actually happening real slowly. Okay, so what do we do next from here? What you need to do is, if you have any design that you had actually created some time back or that you had worked on, you simply have to click add page so that you simply start anything from the scratches. Okay, so we have a blank page here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm now gonna check on these tabs which are here, and I will go by elements. Then I scroll down and I make sure that I target that part which says generate your own. Then from here, we are going to describe what we want Canva to generate for us. So we can say background, let's say generate a picture background, of a beautiful classroom with a whiteboard, and what else? With the whiteboard and laboratory. I think that is just enough, right? With a whiteboard. Okay, we can as well punch in more descriptive words. The background should be a little bit dark. Okay, so we can now hit enter so that Canva can actually generate the actual background that we have described. So as you can see at the bottom there's a bar with a blue color actually. Okay, so you see we got what we actually asked artificial intelligence to generate for us. So if you're not happy with what you see, you can still click generate again so that you have a manifold options to choose from. So I'm gonna go by the one which is in the top left corner. I click it. Come on, and it's added to the blank page that we have there. So what you do is you right click it, and then you go where it says replace background. So what you've done is you have actually replaced the background with the picture which was just generated by Canva using artificial intelligence too. So you can now click share. Come on, Canva. 8. Then you can click download, and then you choose which of those pages do you want to download. Is it the one you just generated, or all the pages which were there? So you can click on top there all, then you click current, then done, then you download. Come on, Canva. Okay, so we can name it so that we are able to identify it. Say awesome background. Okay, beautiful. And then you save it. After saving it, you can now close it, and then you open the second app, which is CapCut. You have to make sure that it's installed before you start anything. So we open CapCut. So now after CapCut is open, what you do is you click new project, just right on top here. New project. Okay, so now you have you have to know where the file is that you want to import. So what you do is you click import, this one which is here, so that you import the file that you want to edit. Obviously you know where it is, or it is located on your PC. So what you do is you click the folder where it is, okay, then we click open at the bottom here. Okay, beautiful. So now what you need to do is you now import the background. Import the background. You have to know where the files are. So you go to downloads, and then that's the one that we had saved, awesome background. We click open. Come on, so it has been actually imported. So what we do is we click and hold, and then we drag to that panel where we're going to edit everything from. Everything is happening real slowly. Okay, it has actually been added. Then from here, what we need to do is we now pick that video and drop it on top. Okay, so now after we've dropped that file on top, we can now edit it. You know what I'm saying? I want to cut it so that it happens not to be too long, because if it happens to be too long, or it happens to be a long file, then it's gonna take some time for it to actually finish processing. So I'm gonna click that tab there so as to cut the video from some other. Okay. All right, so after that, check here where it says basic, click the second tab which says cut out. Okay, cut out, and then you tick auto cut out. Turn on. Okay, so after you do that, you will see now such a notification saying stop removing background. Don't click there. You just wait until everything is done. All right, so after background removal has actually been done, you can actually give it a shot. You play the video just to check out what. Okay, so what you're likely to see. So you click the play button. So it looks pretty good, right? So we can now rename this. So okay, we say background background removal, so that we're able to identify this forever to be saved. Then you click export on top there. Okay, beautiful. So you land here, and then you can actually change some settings here how you'd love your file to be saved. So you can now hit export. After the file has been saved, you can head on to the folder where it's been saved, so that you play it and see if everything is just the way you would love it to be. So we can actually click flash content. Latest. Then you look for the background. See here, we played some.
And welcome you to my channel. In our video today, we're going to look at,
and then we see how it's going to
we
play.
can actually solve a problem that has to do with Charles' law. So we are looking at gas laws. So now, what does Charles' law state? Charles' law states that the volume